Awuyazi mina mangimene umuntu baba ngimene ezinja kuphela ngimane ita kuphela ngiphethe ingwenya lababiza ngonyosi but azini mawungamazi uzomazi manje but most people bamkene Davidton eKasi eThwatho ayazi star from Mdala Rotmalam can you please introduce yourself ngegama lamampela for abantu abangakwazi isibongo and also tell ama viewers wethu ukuthi udlalela yipi team and usalava
mina sanibonani igama ngobafana wakachawe nickname yami uNyosi la eKasi vele ngithume ngoNyosi so currently ngidlalela iBastrata angina professional team but ngidlala la enkambini so ngihlala naseMkhobo yeah
so njama asiye kumlondo wakho wedisc uNyosi like since adlala ibhola udlalela emapha ama team uze nawo kahle until now or team ucina ukudlala ngayo ku pro side
yo njami ngidlaleleni ngidlalela iCosmos Masuka Cosmos Stellenbosch from Stellenbosch ngaya ku Polokwane City then from there ngabuya ngazodlala la enkambini again mfethu modlala la enkambini hlanhlanyana melube nayo so most of the time ngihlizi manje angina team yeah but you ama team engadlalele la professional side ne national team obvious yes
Baba mongazothi ubuya ku national team bayindawo engiphathela zona zimnandi kanjani ubuya ku bafana ngiyakutshela so Rotmalam cela like usitshele ukuthi like yini into ekukhuthaza ukuthi udlale ibhola and ubani play ukhulu ubukela phansi kwalo
mina nje kune outtake thiwa uAdolf Tete abantu ababhaya bamazi ngoTete but abamkini angithola so yi outtake ngikromile from a young age up until ngize ngibe lento engiyiyo namhlanje so abantu abangimotivateile kakhulu mina ngasho ukuthi nje manje abasadlali angithola because buka amakhotmana abusiso Mxoyane angithola amakhotmana la enkambini yobe wadlala pro side abolinda Mtambo angithola bandela la eDavidton abuSkapi angithola yiwo amakhotmana engikhule ngiwabukela mina lawo so abumaponya ama motivation nje ngithola khule ngimama bona so nami ngagcina ngibona ukuthi azini if ever nyabambelela probably one thing aba something and eventually kwayenzeka ngaphumelela ngayithola ichance yami njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngidlalile ngabuya ngibonile sure njalo
so ezukena most intwana eKasi ziyafuna ukudlala idisc sifike ku professional but ezinye ziyasaba into zokuthi makuneyihlwele egroundini azikwazi ukhandle ipressure so wena as a player like uziprepare kanjani for ama game and how do you handle ipressure
so ipressure nje mihlezi khona nje uzowina ipressure yokuwina yohlezi khona uzodliwa ipressure yokudliwa yohlezi khona so into ebalulekile imentality nje ngithola mawuyiplayer ukwenza imistake kumele lo mistake le kube ilesson ngithola sifunda kumaphutha ukuze sibe blind ngithola so ipressure ungathola abantu abayi 60000 ngaphandle wenza imistake then uthi focus ku you not wanna play yabo so kumele ukutshela ukuthi labantu abangaphandle bayikhiphile imali yabo bathatha isikhathi sabo beze egroundini bazobukela wena ukuthi wenza ama mistake uphinde wa improve ukuze uzoba ilento le abafuna ukuyibona uyisho ngithola so pressure nje amikhona yonke indawo ngaphandle egroundini kune pressure so mongakhona
ukuthi phekwe yini
so mongakhona ukuhandle ipressure egroundini shina ngaphandle empilweni nje yabo angokwazi ukusurvive because the pressure yisakha ezabantu ngithola yeah
so umlandweni wakho ebhola iliphi player libest okwadlala nalo ezi teammate okwadlala nalo elibest ezi hardest opponent and ubani player ongakazi wadlala nalo ongafisa ukudlala nalo as a teammate
yo mina ngidlale nabantu ababhaya nje yami yo abanye bakhona basadlala no PSL because mangathi nyamenshina miba amagambanyana ambalwa abu Khize abu Lyle Foster abu Matthews Sundowns ngithola so maningi nje ama player ngidlale nawo but mina ngiyafisa nami ukuthola lelo chance ngithola ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuyele sibe nama chance because the chance sesekhona isikhathi sesekhona kuningi kusangayenzeka ngithola yeah so umuntu engibukela kuye mina nje yami
like ngifuna like iplay li hardest opponent okwadlala against la manje udlale nawe ezi teammate angisho
hardest opponent nje mina ayikazi ngaba ne hardest opponent mina ngisabumuntu nje hayi mina nje ngimakhila igame ngithola marayi angikazi ngithi ayi leyathi le enzima le defender next njoba ngiyabalanda mina njoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu ebengibukela kuye mina Mxoyane he was the best left back la eKasi ngithola umuntu ebengithi mangidlala ngithi mangibhekane naye ngisho ish Khotman leli mali ngangimakha namhlanje yo angeke ngikhona but ngagcine ngimhlula naye ngithola somehow so ngabona ukuthi sometimes yithi sisivalelayo nje umuntu umsaba just cause wenzeni nani in mara maso apply you see ukuthi naye umuntu egcine unamaphutha
Sure.
Ngiyangithola so anganyama nginayo mina hardest opponent
So iplayer ke ongafisa ukudlala nayo as a teammate.
manje professional
Anyway, it's either professional or recast.
enkambini ulwazi KG nenye intwana senkambini yami eblind yo le ntwana lezi uyafera KG kamalayo bathu bani ulwazi kingakhonje isibongo sa but idlala ku under 19 eCosmos yintwana engifuna ukudlala nayo no ngithola ngiyafisa nami ukuthi mayingasondela isingaya somewhere ngithola yeah
Shout out to Lwazi odlalile iCosmos. Ucomment lapho ntwana sikubone. So uyazi you can't just play football without supporting any team ku pro side, yabo? So unyosi ku professional football u favor which club?
Pakania
Europe?
City Park
So okay, before ngibuza the question, ngicela utshele ama viewers wethu ukuthi udlala iphi position.
mina I'm versatile nje ngidlala yonke indawo left back
Okay.
right back center back central midfielder attacking left winger central attacking midfielder striker
Okay, iposition like oku favorite yakho or comfortable ku.
I'm comfortable yonke indawo
Okay,
ngaka mina ngidlala ngamanyawo ethu nje yami
Sure.
ngithola so professional Cosmos
Inkinga why? Khona question engifuna ukubuza yona, that's why ngikubuza ukuthi iyiphi position e best like okay for wena.
njami wonke Cosmos
Ngikhethe one, ngikhethe.
back angisho ngifuna ukwenzela example Cosmos bengidlala right back
Sure.
Stellenbosch bengidlala iwing ngabuyela eCosmos ngadlala center so wonke lo position bengicomfortable dog but mina ngikhulu ngidlala iwing
Okay, ngizoyasuza kuwinga ne. Lama winga i3, you start one, bench one and sell ne. Lamine Yamal, Michael Olise and le number 7 e PSG, Kiva Kvaratskhelia.
Skravashcheli
Yeah.
okay
Start bench and sell.
start Skravashcheli bench Olise sell Yamal
Yo. But you sell Yamal. Yo. Okay, let's say you get a chance to sell Yamal nga 100M and not only 100M, you have to do something for the community ala itwa tungabayenzelana.
academy
Sure.
lentwana lezi ezibhaya lezi ezilenkambini ezincane nje yabo njengalezi esibukelela egroundini ezinye zakhona nje amakambi isikhathi ezibhema ngithola so chaza ukuthi akusana amahotmane anakekela ifuture yethu dog ngithola so mina mangayithola inyuku no ngazama something boma foundation yana for zone ngithola ukuthi ziye fair dog
Sure.
because thina sesiyenzile le way but laba bezicala kunathi abayenzanga so that's the best we can give back to the community
Imama ulikaya malini? Nyadala sibapha mala, sibapha off ngamathamazana.
off mama likhoshi fokon kule mitha likhoshi next
Yeah, it's chef. Okay, one of the day for intwana ezincane ezifuna ukukhula adlala ibhola.
One day a day will start without you. Never think it can never happen to you. Sundays are not always the best, but you can make it your best day. So ningalahli ithemba my chance.
Ay.